We're in the final throes of the 2023 edition, and we thought we'd squeeze in one more bike check. Last but not least, Vincenzo Nibali. We're here at the Hangar Bike Co. with Kurt Gross, and Kurt is the link between the Scott Bike Company and the factory racing teams, so the best person to tell us about Vincenzo Nibali's bike. So Kurt, the geometry of the frame and the angles, it's all stock standard?
Yeah, that's all stock standard. We have the handlebar, it's 720 large, and the stem is 80 to 9 degrees, minus 9 degrees. We have suspension in the front 120 and in the back also 120. In the front we can change the head angle from 68.5 to 69.2. In the beginning, from Cap Epic, Nibali it's riding 96.2, and after the three stage, we changed the angle to steep, but Nibali tell me every day it's losing a little bit the front wheel. Now it's better. Yeah, we have the SRAM brakes with 2 piston. Then we drive, Nibali is driving the IXS drivetrain from Eagle drivetrain from SRAM with the normally shifter. And for the suspension, we have the twin lock, 3-position. And for the dropper post, we have a blip box with a blip to control the dropper post.
Now, Vincenzo has plenty of power at his disposal. Tell us about the drivetrain.
The drivetrain, that's the old one now, but it's a really good drivetrain. The Prologue, Nibali is riding the 38 chainring, and now the another stages, it's riding the 36 chainring. And the cassette, we have 1050 every day.
Kurt, being an Italian, he's got an Italian tire sponsor. He's running Pirellis, unlike the rest of the team. What tire pressure does he run?
The tire pressure is in the back 125 bar and in the front 120. We have a great, Vincenzo have a partner here, the really Pirelli team. And this guy helped me every day we have the right tire on.
Kurt, one last question. How much does Vincenzo Nibali's bike weigh?
I think 11.3.
That's your final guess?
Yeah, 11.3. 11.3. No, 11.6.